Well, I'm starting off my video today in the shed because this is where I've just been to bring the cotton in. But as you can see, I've got two helpers who absolutely kill to know what's in the shed. I hate to disappoint them, but all I've come in for is some yellow wool. But Rosie insists on helping. And I've no idea where Trixie is. Oh, there she is. Trixie is helping too. They won't stay in long. I won't stay in long. As you can see, it's very overwhelming in here. Those are all garments that I need to put somewhere to get them sold. Oh, it's such a task. It's just overwhelming. Oh, there's my finger. Overwhelming. I have made dents in, the wool that I brought with me. I hopefully haven't added too much, although I have added those colours because those are for the second throw. That on the floor has obviously been an avalanche that's fallen down from some place. That's my heater, but it's not on at the minute because it's too hot. There's my music. What are you two doing? What are you doing, Rose? Right, I shall stand up. I have to sit down. Every time I've walked across, I have to sit down. Right, my doll's house has been banished into the corner. There's my knitting needles. There's the head. And if you want to know why I can't find any patterns, there's a big box over there with patterns in. There's a huge box here with patterns in. And there's a box over there with patterns in. So when you say, what pattern did you use? And I can't tell you, that's the reason why. Yeah? There's just a few oddments that are there. Come on, girls. What are you doing, girlies? What I came in for was another pack of the yellow, the ice yarn, because I'm going to run out. That was a colour that came the other day, but it's not quite the colour I imagined it to be. It looks a bit beigey on the film, but it's actually quite pink. Well, there you go, that's the better. Quite pink. So I'm not sure. It'll get used. It will get used. Still got lots and lots and lots of stuff. As you can see. And I need to leave the shed open because I need to take the mannequin in. Yeah, I've got my phone in here as well. I've worked my way through a lot of the chunky. As you can see, there's holes in places. But it's going to take me a while, isn't it? Anyway, kiddos, I've got only come in here for some yellow wool. Yes, I have. Ooh. No, I can't get past this waggle tail. Still got some lovely yarns left in here. Look at that colour of that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love bright colours, you know I do. People say to me, oh, are you selling it? I'm like, no, mine all mine. Very selfish of me, but it's mine all mine. Yeah, I did undo some boxes and put the cotton in there. Anyway, we'll get to what I was supposed to be showing you. I was actually supposed to be showing you the garden on Saturday. Excuse the lawn, because some people keep, they're not naming any names, but they do seem to have 4 legs. They've been nibbling all at the grass. This is Trish's poor garden. She's going to go crackers when she comes back because they've been eating, digging and eating. And as you can see, it badly needs water. Those are not weeds, I think they're Trish's seeds, but that's suffering badly. There's the sundial, although I'm not even sure it's pointed in the right direction. I cannot keep the dogs off this patch. All I keep saying all day long is, get off the garden, get off the garden. But she's not working. So I need to water it, but the sun's very high at the minute. As you can see, evidence that someone has been digging. Right, there's the geraniums I bought the other day. They're in 3 plants. That's the view down to the back door. It's got barricades up because it was a vain attempt to stop the dogs from digging on the lawn, but it doesn't work, as you can see. Oh gosh, excuse me while I have a little sit down. As I mentioned in my last video, oh gosh, my back is really hurting. So that's the shed. Oh gosh, I'll have to put my glasses sunglasses on, can't see a thing. That's my shed. There's my tizzy wizzy with a dishcloth thing drying. Look what the dogs have done to the lawn. What a mess they've made, yeah. Sun hat. Oh, the dogs are both in the Rosie's in the shed now. That's my sun hat. This is what I'm actually doing. I did finish off the back and the front and did a bit of the band round, and I've started one of the sleeves. So no doubt. Now they're both in the shed. They probably come racing out with a ball of wool each in their mouth. They have a fascination for wool. And I really wish they didn't. I never had any trouble with Gigi, or Buster, or Sky, or Poppy. But these two, what have you found? Oh, they've not found anything, they're just having a play fight. The way they drag each other around, you think that one of them is going to get killed, but it doesn't work that way. They do stop. Oh, right, I'm getting up again. I've given me back a little rest. I'll just show you my little raised bed. It's not doing a lot, mainly because I haven't watered it. But as you can see, this poor grass is... Right, this is my flower bed. I've got in it mint, and I think it's not coriander. My daughter-in-law's oh no, she hasn't took them out. Mint and parsley, that's right. Mint and parsley. That's my tomato, which I don't know whether it will grow or not. There's chives and there's thyme. These are spinach, which my daughter-in-law's moved about a lot. This is my mixed leaves lettuce. So this is what it looks like when you step back. I have to be careful stepping back before, otherwise I'll fall over. And it'll be a very interesting video, won't it, with me flat on my back. That's the bottom of it. I got a new trowel, and Trixie is insisting on eating all the soil. Oh dear. Right, we've got an arch which my daughter-in-law got. She's going to train plants up it, and I can't tell you what the plants are, but this one has got little flowers on it. She's hoping to grow it up the trellis. It's starting to climb, and this one's just at the beginning. This is my son's tiki bar that he built. We put the barricade up to stop the dogs from eating. Apparently there's an acer in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Which my daughter-in-law is really fanatical about. She doesn't want the dogs digging. So we've got a Buddha. And you may recognise my tinkling wind chimes from outside. Plus some other things hanging on the trees. The lights have all fallen down with the wind that we had the other night. Oh, nearly fell over Trixie. Over here we've got the barbecue. And this rusty effort is a pizza oven, but it needs a good clean. My disability chair is coming in good use because my son uses it when he's barbecuing. Trixie, don't eat anything, for goodness sake. There's going to be no garden left, is there? Because they're going to eat everything and I'll be in trouble. There's a nice log that came from one of my son's friend's trees. So we decided to put it there as sort of like a feature. This is the summer house. Oh gosh, I nearly fell over then. I'm not very stable. This is the summer house. I won't show you inside, it's just got the cushions in. It's got the bell that came from my house on the corner there. My great-grandson insists on ringing the bell and saying, "What does everybody want from my shop?" This, I've got my hand on, is the spa, master spa. Again, I'm not going to open that. There's another trellis here, but two tiny plants that I think Trish is hoping will grow, which I need to water. We've got the fire pit. It was there. That's where there's a burnt bit. That's the lounger that I bought. The cushions for it all are all in the summer house. Same with the table and chairs. Oh my God, I'm so bad today with my back. It's really killing me. Excuse me showing you a photograph of the glass of the tabletop. If I sit down I probably won't get up again. Yeah, next door's fence, umbrella. This is it's like a 3 L-shaped, got a table and it's got 4 little tuffety things that the kids sit on. I'll try and step back without breaking my neck. Oh, and there's also a box there, and that's the door to the garage. And we've got a, whatever you call them, they've got a name, haven't they? Chimney or something. Oh dear. Some plants are growing in that one. Seeds are in there, but nothing as yet is growing. And I need to, oh God, my back. Sorry to moan, I don't usually do moany videos, but this is a bit different, it's killing me. Oh, I sat down on here and without the cushion I probably won't ever get up again. So that's what it looks like, the garden furniture. It's got cushions for the back and cushions for the seat. I wish she'd stop eating soil. I'm going to have a dog that's full of soil by the time they get home. Anyway, this is our garden. Just ignore the grass. There's my shed. There's the garden again. Never ever get up off this seat. I have to keep sitting down. I'm just absolutely... Oh, Trixie, what are you eating? One eats pebbles and stones, the other one eats dirt. I've got visions of them having an x-ray and being full of pebbles. And my son's saying, what have you been feeding them on? Right, I need to get up. Just let me put the camera down while I attempt to get up off this chair, which is way too low and I should have never sat on it in the first place. Right, excuse me for about 5 minutes while I get up off here. My son did say, don't sit on it when it's not got the cushion on because you'll never get up again. So if you don't hear from me, I shall be out here till Tuesday. Right, let's have another go. Oh no, I can't get up. This is not funny. Not funny anymore. I got up off it the other day, but I think I had my stick with me then. Right, we'll have one more go, otherwise the camera's going off and I'm going to make a very undignified getting up bit. Oh Lord. Oh, I'm up. If my knees are higher than the rest of my body, I can't get up. Right, that's the mess where I've been sitting. As you can see, another little seating area. That's where I've been sitting. There's my lavender and the fuchsia. And in there is some more seeds, I think, that Trish planted. And there's my other lavender. This is the conservatory. I'm using it as a laundry at the moment. I'm drying the things. That's the entrance to my bedroom. This is my chair, which I'd have a job to sit on at the minute because it's full of the throw and the big cushion. These are the uncomfy chairs that I hate. Yeah. Oh dear. Do you know, don't get old, it's no fun. And this is where I sit with the dogs. There's another sofa there. As you can see, it looks fairly light looking at it in this direction, but when I turn it round so it's looking at me, it's dark. Yeah. We're sadly lacking in some focal point, really. We need a picture or something. This is the room that's going to be turned into a snug stroke spare. I occasional bedroom. At the moment it's been decorated, but there's nothing much happening in there except it's becoming a bit of a dumping ground for Trixie's playpen and her bed. But apart from that, Trisha's made a valiant effort putting some plants up. As you can see, there's a plant over there and a plant there. And I'm being joined by Trixie because it's very hot outside. Yeah. Hot out there, isn't it, Trix? I'm determined to sit outside even though it's absolutely cooking me. Oh, there's my yellow crochet over there. Shouldn't be there. Shouldn't be leaving rubbish in here, really, but you know how it is. We're not home till Tuesday, so I'll move it all before then. Anyway, padding around, that's my view of the garden when I'm sitting in here. And I need to go back in the shed now and bring the mannequin out. There's the hot tub, there's everything else. Yeah. So I'll probably see you later on me live, but for the meantime, bye bye from me and the pink wall and the yellow ceiling and the plants. And bye bye from Trixie. I have no idea where Rosie's gone. She could be in my bedroom, that's her favourite place to sleep. Bye now. Oh, it's not going, it's not switching off. Why are you not switching off?